So it's Saturday and I'm working on some fun stuff today, just like for myself. And I figured that I wanted to do some sort of like some kind of CRM for myself so I can just like keep stuff in place. So yesterday I started working on a project, or I have been working on a project where I kind of wanted to make my own explorer. So let me show you how it works. So here's a bunch of buttons, open folder, zoom in, zoom out. I'll show you why that's necessary in a second. Hold on, there we go. So if we start with open root folder, this lets me pick a folder where I want to start working from. So say clients, and I hit select or enter, I get a pop-up. And this thing also has a text editor included, so I can actually work with the text from my browser. Let me take that away. And today, and you can also do this if you scroll in and out, scroll out again. It has different functions depending on whether you're hovering a window or not, and then you can close it and move it. These are supposed to be like connectors later, so I'm working on that. So, and I have also built like I wanted to keep in check what I do during the days, and like so I can control what I'm doing on the computer, if it's something I need to do different, if it's like what routes I tend to take, and like what programs I use and stuff. So I programmed an OpenAI to analyze its GPT-4 vision, actually, that analyzes everything I do on my computer. So it sees what I do on my computer, then makes an analysis, and then gives me this. This is an activity monitor in which I get updates every 15 seconds or so that I have set to comment what it is exactly what I'm doing. So this is also a work in progress, but it's so cool. Now I can like just take everything that's in here and make an analysis. And then yesterday I built an Open LLM chat, which now has a memory included with LangChain. So I don't have to like do anything different from like an OpenAI or something. This is running completely locally right now. So, and I also, these are like, I choose a file, and then I can have the this thing talk to the file. So it's a work in progress. That's what I love doing on a Saturday. Peace.